Do you have pain in your knees, or is it hard for you to stand if you are sitting on couch, lower couch since long, or do you get trouble to use Indian bathroom? If your answer is yes to all these questions then start watching this video. But before that, just subscribe my channel, like my video, and please make sure to watch the video by the end. So without making further ado, let's get started. So let's get done with this problem. Don't want to distract you, confuse you, and just get you more confused than already you are. Simple thing which I've been doing it, which is more effective than any other drama. Whatever I'm saying, try to bring this in your daily routine. You will have 2-3 day whatever I'm saying, and you will expect result. That's not going to happen. Even bone itself, if you broken it, then it takes 6 months or 7 months to heal, to remade again. So when bone itself is taking that long time, then how can you expect from remedy that you will use for 1 month, you will use for 2 months, or you will get result, right? So simply, whatever I'm going to say, just try to bring this in your daily routine for lifetime. So number 1 is ginger water. All you have to do, just take ginger tea. No matter how you will have, but just take ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory compound in this, which make it world best painkiller. As a home remedy, it's best painkiller, and it's really effective if you're daily using it. Second one is milk with turmeric. Yes, milk with turmeric. Even it tastes very good though. All you have to do, having milk with turmeric before sleeping. Just bring this in your daily routine. Just think that you have to do this, like daily you have to eat, you have to brush. You don't have, means no one has to say the benefit or disadvantage of not brushing. You do it, right? You have been doing it. So that's what I need you to bring these 2 things in your daily routine. Before sleeping, always have milk with turmeric. We all know milk is very good for calcium, which is good for our bone. So have milk with turmeric, because turmeric, it has anti-inflammatory compound and antioxidant, which helps you to make your bone strong, and whatever trouble you have while sitting, and this will be over. These 2 things I need you to very urgently bring this in your life routine. Now third one, I need you to listen very carefully. If you do this, then none of anything you have to do, means you won't have to be worried about your knees till you die. But what you have to do, you have to keep this consistent. Okay, keep it consistent. And what third thing is, always do sit-ups. Okay, I'm not saying you to do 10-minute exercise, 15-minute exercise. I'm not saying anything, because I no matter how much I will beg you, no matter what best exercise I will give you, you're not gonna do. All you have to do this exercise. Can you see? Always you have to do this. Simply, there is nothing, it's not a rocket science. All you have to do, simply just sit and up. All you have to do, sit up. I'm not talking about technicality that you have to, you don't have to take your knees out, knees up, this, that, blah, blah, blah. All you have to do, just do sit up. Because what happened, suppose I'm giving you an example as a lock. If you don't use it, so what happened, if you open any lock with even keys after a long time, then it's very hard, it's very hard for that lock to open smoothly. That's what with this our bone. If we don't use, so that grease which make our joint smoothly moves, then there will be trouble. All you have to do, to always do sit-ups. Okay, no matter how old your grandmother is, how old you are, and how young you are, all you have to do, just do sit up, and there will be always that grease in your knees, that you won't be trouble. And this will be very good for those who who is using Indian toilet. Because if your knees is not strong, then it will be very hard for you to use Indian toilet. Because in Indian toilet, you have to go very down, all the way on your knees pressure, and you have to get all the way on your knees pressure. Now I heard so many accidents happen in old age while using Indian bathroom. Because when you try to, when you try to get up, when you try to stand up, then you cannot do, because there is no, there is no grease, there is no muscle stretchability, and that's how our muscle is. If you keep doing it daily, then there will be stretchability, there will be enough grease that you won't have any trouble while standing or while sitting. All you have to do, just daily do sit up 10 times. Nothing, it will take 10 seconds. Always remember, just 10 seconds every day, just just do 10 times sit-ups, because you have to lift your whole body on your knees. So you have to do practice of lifting your body. Okay, once you do it, then you will feel knees problem is nothing. There is no need of doctor, there is no need of anything. Just do these sit-ups 10 times. Thank you.